Comparison and arrangement of decimal numbers. So, comparison, we're going to compare. Equal ba sila? Sino ang mas mataas? And then, we're going to arrange the number mula sa pinakamababa, pataas, or pwedeng pinakamataas, pababa. So, let's proceed. Let's recall this. So, let's give or write the value of the given decimal number. So, look at the given decimals. We have 3.756. So, we have already the decimal point. So, lagay natin dito 3. And then, 7, 5, 6. Okay, on our next given, we have 37.56. Sundan lang natin. 7 is in ones value. 3 is in tens. 5, 6. 5, 1, 7, 3, 6. And then this one is 0.375 6. So use the place value chart to find the smallest and the largest value. So take a look. My first question is, what is the smallest decimal in terms of value? Ano dyan sa tingin nyo yung pinakamababa? O label natin ito letter A, ito si letter B, si letter C, letter D. Take a look. Alin dyan yung pinaka mababa? Kasi I'm asking for the smallest value or smallest decimal. Okay, the answer is letter D. Letter D as in dog. Next, what is now the largest decimal? Yung pinakamalaki yung value. Yan, letter C, tama. Kung sa pera natin, class, 375 pesos and 6 centavos. Pagpapalit mo ba yung 375 mo kay letter D? Though, nababasa nyo dyan, 3,756 thousands. Napakababa niyan. Hindi pa siya umabot sa piso. Kaya walang value yung ones natin. Yung whole number. Let's continue. Here, in comparison of decimals, we use the symbols greater than, less than, and equal. So when comparing two decimals, it is helpful to write one below the other, just like this one. Which is greater, 58.23 or 49.35? Take a look first, class. The first thing that you're going to look is the whole number. 58.23, 49, less than, greater than, equal. Actually, class, most of you nalilito kay symbol na less than at greater than. Am I right? Tama po ba? Bibigyan ko kayo ng isang technique para maalala ninyo. Yan si less than. Taas niyo yung left hand nyo. Gumawa kayo ng parang peace sign na nakaharap sa inyo. Yan. Less than yan. Alam niyo kung bakit naging less than? Anong letter yung less than? Letter L, left hand, less than, left hand. Ma'am, paano si greater than? Greater than. May R si greater than. So, right hand naman siya. Yan ang symbol ni greater than. Nasa right hand. Pag equal, ibig sabihin in terms of their value, parehas lang sila. Let's go back to our example, which is greater. Take a look on the symbol of less than and greater than. The word greater, mas malaki. Ano yung mas malaki? Kakainin niya si 58.23. How about even though one digit lang yung decimal number dito sa ating left side, yung 2.1, at yung dito sa right side is 2.09, ganito ang gagawin.
Okay.
Let's compare. First thing that you need to compare is the whole number. So 2, they are equal. Next step, kung equal sila, proceed ka doon sa next. The number right after the decimal point. Anong mas mataas? 'Di ba? 1 compare kay 0. Yan, 2.1. Ulitin ko. The first thing that you're going to do is to compare the whole number. The whole number can be found on the left side, the number before the decimal point. So compare natin yung dalawang number. Ano bang mas mataas sa kanila? kay 2 tsaka kay 2, di ba? Equal lang sila. Next, punta ka doon sa number right after the decimal point. Ito si 1, ang counterpart niya, ito, si 0. Sino mas mataas? Diba si 1, 2.1 is greater than 2 and 900ths. Compare the whole number, they are just the same. 2.16 or 2 and 1600ths. Ma'am, bakit wala na dito? Dito kay 2.1 sa part na to. Bakit wala pong number? Pag walang number, it is considered zero. So next example, so we have now 700ths and 1/10.
0.1.
Kay 1.
Okay, compare natin
One.
yung number, yung katapat nito ay 1. So, ito ang sagot. Pag binasa natin yan, 700ths is less than 1/10. How about this one? What is the symbol? Compare natin yung number 0 to the answer is greater than. So, 200ths is greater than 2,000s. Next. Okay, the answer is
Equal.
equal.
0.
Equal lang sila.
Huh?
Okay, sige. Check natin na. Wala siyang whole number, 0. Take a look at our tens place value. They are just the same, both 7. Next, anong katapat nito ng 0 dito sa right side? 'Di ba wala? O sige, tatanungin ko nga kayo. What is the value of 0?
Wala po.
Wala. Okay, they are
Wala.
equal.
Wala po. Nothing.
Walang value si 0.
Okay.
Kaya ang sagot dyan, equal. Okay, now write the numbers in order from smallest to greatest. Take a look on the instruction. Pinakamababa, pataas. Okay, wala tayong whole number. First thing that you're going to do, compare nyo yung tenths. So, mai-eliminate natin ito. 'Di ba? Itong 0.9 tsaka 0.67 kasi ang instruction diyan pinakamababa. Focus muna tayo dito, class. Dito sa tatlong 'yan. Alamin natin kung sino naman sa kanila kung ang pinakamababa. Punta tayo sa hundreds place value. Sino ang pinakamababa? Alin dyan ang pinakamababa? 'Di ba 0.04? So, yan yung una natin. Next, ano yung sumunod? 0.05. At yung sunod, 0.090. Okay, now, let's proceed. May natira pa tayong dalawa. Alin ang mas mababa sa kanila? 0.9 o 0.67? So the answer is, anong mas mababa? Tingnan nyo yung value ng tenths. The answer is 0.67. And then last is 0.9. Next example. How about this one? Since we don't have any whole number, we will proceed to the highest place value right after the decimal point. So, which is the tenths place value? Take a look. Which is the smallest? 0, 3, 4, 2, 2. So, obviously, the smallest is 0. Next. So, eliminate na siya, x na siya. What is the next smallest value? 3, 4, 2, 2. Obviously, we have 2. Etong dalawa. Compare natin yung dalawa. We will proceed now to the hundreds place value. Since we don't have hundreds place value here, in short, that is 0. Which is smaller, 0.20 or 0.21? Obviously, 0.20. So we're going to write 0.2 here. So that is x na natin. And then, followed by 0.21. Okay, next, which is the smallest between 0.34 and 0.4? Obviously, 3 or 4, the smallest is 3. 0.34. And then last, we're going to write 0.2. 4. So that will be our answer. You arranged already from smallest to greatest. Next, last. So I have here an example. Team Nara and Team Mahogany underwent a water challenge. Their task was to transfer the water in a cup from the first player to the 10th player without spilling within the allotted time. After the task, the team captain measured the water collected using a measuring cup. Team Nara collected 1.402 or 1 and 402 thousandths. And then while Team Mahogany collected 1 and 45 thousandths. Both of them have the unit of liters. Take a look. The question is, which team got more water? So let's compare. So we have the same whole number, and let's go with the tens place value 4. This is 0. Obviously, we have 1.402 is greater than. So that's it. But the question is, which team? Yan ang tanong. So ang sagot natin ay Team Nara. Yan ang sagot. But how do we find the answer? Siyempre, sa math, bago tayo makakuha ng final answer, we need to solution for your answer. So that's it. So do you have any question? That's the end of our lesson for today. I hope you learned something.